So we talked about blood pressure and changes in blood pressure with exercise, and now we want to talk a little bit about the oxygen delivery system and how your body gets accustomed to exercise and why this is important. So as you exercise, your body becomes more efficient at delivering oxygen to the tissues, and this represents a red blood cell, and on each red blood cell there are typically 4 oxygen molecules per red blood cell. And your heart's job is to deliver those red blood cells to the tissues needed to create energy. So this basically represents that red blood cell, and as you exercise, the tissues become more efficient at utilizing these oxygen molecules, and the tissues also become more efficient at creating energy from these molecules. And that's important for cardiovascular function because you can see in this demonstration here, or this model, that there are blood vessels going to the heart. And the heart also needs to become more efficient at utilizing these oxygen molecules, because if it doesn't have oxygen, those tissues will die and starve just like any other tissue of the body. So as you exercise more, your heart and all the tissues of your body become more efficient at utilizing the energy or the oxygen for creating energy. The exact mechanism of how this works we're not quite sure of, but what we do know is that with exercise you get more efficient at utilizing the oxygen. So that's why in athletes they have lower resting heart rates, because the heart doesn't have to work as hard to deliver that blood and oxygen to the tissues, because their tissues have become more efficient at converting oxygen into energy.